Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lady Emmer. In today's video, I will be sharing my Stardew Valley mods and how to acquire them and how to download them. All links will be provided in the description below this video, and hope that it will help you as much as it did for me. All credits to the authors of the mods and all their hard work, as they do have some Patreon site links along with their mods. If you are feeling generous, please donate, as it will help them update and improve these mods for everyone to use. If you like my content, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. I also stream over at Twitch at every Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific time zone. It's twitch.tv/LadyEmmer, and hope to see you there sometimes. I appreciate very much, and please share your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll try to respond to each one of you, and hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so first thing you need to do is open any internet browser that you have. You have to type in nexusmods.com, and then you will be brought to this website where you can actually install all of your Stardew Valley mods, or any games that you do have that you can install mods for. So in terms of games, you can pretty much type in Stardew Valley, or you can actually find a game here, Stardew Valley, on the first page. So once you click on that, you can see all these mods that are being available for you to install. But the first thing you need to do is go to type in SMAPI, because that is the program that you can download for the additional mod that you need, so that the mods in the game will be available and useful for you. Because without SMAPI, the mods in the game won't do any good for you. It will not work. So you have to make sure that you go to this SMAPI, or type in SMAPI mod or Stardew Valley modding app in the search bar, or you can actually go to the actual SMAPI website, which is you can just type in the Google search and go to SMAPI. So anyway, from here on out, you can go ahead and just download a manual SMAPI. Since I don't have subscription or premium subscription for Nexus, you can just go ahead and download it on the slow or normal speed for downloading the file. Once you download the file, you can just put it on the download folder in your PC if you like, and then you can go show folder, and then you can extract it here if you like. It doesn't matter where you want to extract it, but as long as you can track where this folder is going to, make sure that you, after you install this, then you click on it and then install Windows, or depending if you have Mac or Linux. Mine is install Windows. So once you open the file, this pop-up box screen or DOS screen will pop up, and it will ask you a question saying, where do you want to add or remove SMAPI? So you have two options. Of course, you want to install it under the Stardew Valley of your Steam apps library. So you type in 1. And then once you install it, it will ask you, what do you want to do? Install SMAPI. So of course you're gonna press 1 again and then enter. I already have SMAPI in my PC, so it will not process the way it should be. But once you process and installed SMAPI, it will show you this huge information that it will show you SMAPI is installed if you use Steam, and set your launch options to enable achievements. So anything below this line here, make sure that you copy from the quotation of C drive program files and all these information up to the very end of command. So I just want to make sure, guys, to emphasize that you need to make sure that you copy from the quotation to the very end here, where the X percentage is. From the quotation mark, you copy all that information from that. Okay, So anyway, after that, you go to your Steam library, and then you go to your Stardew Valley by right-clicking in the game. You go to Properties, and then from here, make sure that you go to Local Files first. Backup any game files that you have. This is just to ensure that in case if you don't want or if you don't like the mods at all anymore, you can just install back the game that you have, the default one, and without any mods, and then that will ensure that you will have your information again backed up. So go to General tab, and then here it says Launch Options. Make sure that remember that information that you have to, or wherever you installed your Steam library is, you want to make sure that the information is being pasted here. So after you pasted this information, because my Steam app is in my D drive, that's why it's showing D under this quotation. But if it's on your C drive, that's going to be C. So this is just an example, but this is what I had, and you just paste it there. Close library, and then go to your game, and this pop-up will show once you launch the game, and it should run smoothly after posting all the mods that you have. But this is just all information because I already installed a lot of mods in my game. Alright, so for example, if you like one specific mod in Nexus, you just type it in the search bar, and because you're already under Stardew Valley game, so any mods for Stardew Valley, it should pop up in the screen once you search it. Or for example, this one, fishing info overlays. So this mod, you can go ahead and click manual, use slow download. Just make sure that you are actually logged into your Nexus account, because it will not let you download any mods at all if you are not logged in. So once you have the mod downloaded, go to save, and then show folder where you download it, and just extract it here, and it should pop up another folder. So make sure that this folder is actually going to be pasted over to your mod folder, which is under your Steam. So because my Steam is in my D drive, so I go to my D drive, go to Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common, and then whatever game, which is Stardew Valley, you choose it, you click it, and then go to mods folder. And this is where you're gonna fishing info overlay. This is where you're gonna paste that in that overlay, and it should be in there as well. So because I don't need that, I just deleted it, but that's how you install those mods. Once you get a hang of it, you know, you want to add more information or more mods under Stardew Valley, it's available for you here in Nexus. Nexus is your source of where you can get all these mods, other than SMAPI, because SMAPI is the one that you need to install so that you can utilize all the mods that will work in the game, because without SMAPI it won't work at all. So make sure that you do have that information, and make sure that you do paste that information once you install SMAPI in Steam library. Like I said, go to library on Steam, go to your right click properties, and after you install it, make sure that you paste this information on your launch option, because if not, you install SMAPI and you don't have this information here, it won't load and your mods will not work. So but yeah, anything in terms of the mods, I do have set of information that I already compiled on my time. So these are the instructions if you need any more information. These are all the mods that I have in the game. So if you like these mods, you can go ahead, and I will just provide this information in the link in the description below, and I hope that it will help you guys. I hope this guide will give you more fresh information in terms of how to download the Stardew Valley mods. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any suggestions or comments, please Post your comments down below. I appreciate any feedbacks, and you have a good day. Happy weekend, guys. Bye.